With his lob that is a part of his game.
Oh my! What a spare. Not only does he not miss the three-pin, he converts the 3-4-7.
Pick it up.
Can he do it again? Sure he can. Of course he can. One more time. One ball to determine a world champ.
Go! Go!
Messenger kicks it!
Oh, yeah!
Gets all 10! Sterner has to match. Missed it! Prather wins it!
Hey, Randy!
What?
This could be it! There she is! Put a ring on it!
Kyle Sherman, keep it on the lane. You've got yourself a title. For the win!
Yes!
9 is enough! Yes! First ever singles title. Hug it out with Pops.
Oh God, this is crazy. Thank you. Finally.
Winning another title here. There's just no question who the best player in the world is.
I talked to my family back home and, you know, mum and dad are at the bowling center tonight watching it in the same bowling center I grew up in as a kid. You know, it's just crazy to think that this little country town is where it all started, and here I am holding a trophy for the 28th time. I pinch myself, I'm very grateful, and I will never take this for granted.
9 or a strike for the win. 8, we have a tie. Anything less, it's AJ Chapman. For the win!
Yes! My God! I needed this. Everybody that supported me, my D's at home, we got one, baby. We got one.
You were telling me that Justin, your son, has bragging rights over you. Why is that?
Well, because my first shot on national TV, I got 9. So now Justin has bragging rights for the rest of his life because his first shot, he knocked them all over.
The Shockers take the first annual PBA Collegiate Invitational presented by Storm.